Good morning, Yanis.
Good morning, Billy. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
So we've got to go to Stan's workshop today, Yanis, and we're going to fabricate the pieces for the chapel gallery.
Yeah, nice.
But last night I forgot to put the car on charge.
It's not a problem, Billy. I changed the car.
You want to change the car?
Yes, of course.
Okay, there is another option, but I haven't driven it in a long time, so it might not start.
Yeah.
Should we go?
Yes.
You got everything?
Let's crack on.
Let's crack on. What do you think, Yanis?
Yes, this is the good option.
Good option.
Very good option.
Only if it starts.
Huh?
It might not start.
Yeah, may think it starts.
You think it'll start?
Yes.
I haven't driven it in months. Right, I got the key in my pocket.
Yeah.
Let's see if it fires up.
Okay.
Will it unlock? Okay, it unlocks. Okay, the side steps don't sound very happy. Okay. We're in luck.
Really, very lucky.
We can go to work today.
Yes.
Can't drive like this yet, it's because the snow is
It's dangerous. Yeah.
I have to clean it more.
Yeah.
Oh, you're strong, Yanis. Strong man. So welcome back to another video, everyone. Yanis and I have made it to Chateau de Panard, which is Sadie and Stan's project, and the convent is literally a 3-minute drive down the road. And later today we are going to be manufacturing, or while the manufacturing's done, we'll be assembling the pieces for the chapel gallery. And even though we're not at the convent today, we are still indirectly working for the convent because these pieces are for the chapel gallery. And it's absolutely amazing that Stan's helped me with the project because I wasn't quite sure how to go about it. So he's done the 3D model, he has had all the pieces laser cut, and we just have to sort of put them together later at his workshop. So it should be quite a good video, and I thought I'd make the most of this morning, get the drone up and try and get the chateau with some snow on the roof, because it only snows probably once a year here in France, well, where we are at least anyway. So yeah, keep watching, it should be a fun video.
The smoke filter, but we almost never use it. the whole eye. This one I will roll this side. Correct. On. So here we did, I don't know how to call it, fixations plate, something like this, for making a gallery in the chapel. So to calculate the profiles for the gallery, we use the 3D modeling using a software called SolidWorks. So we drew the model, then we applied the load that was calculated, taking into account the security coefficients, and then we found a profile. Then to make the wall fixations, I did these plates right now. So it's 8 millimeters thick, 355 steel, carbon steel, and they are welded using a process MAG, metal active gas. So it's semi-automatic welding, where the wire comes out of this torch and there's a gas that protects the welding. That's how it's welded, like all around. You can see the heat here. You see the color is different because like it's heating so much that like we melt the metal at 90 degrees when we are welding. That's how it's done. And so these parts will go on the wall. There will be like 4 different parts. They are both symmetric, but they are all a little bit different. So now I will write on them which one it is. So like this, during the assembly on the walls, you will know which one goes with which one. And so here, the beam, it will be a IPN beam of 200 millimeters here, 20 centimeters. Let's check if everything is okay. Let's measure. Here we have 20 centimeters, you see. It must fit here. We will do the holes with a magnetic drill. Here we did like oval holes just for adjustment, so people on site don't panic. They get, for example, some dimensions of the hole that are different from what was planned, because you never know how it happens on site.
Good job, Stan.
Yeah.
The professional.
Well, I hope it will last.
It definitely will.
So it's done. When you are welding, the main objective is to have the perfect penetration in all positions. That's what we have here.
So that was a bit of a random video, but from not charging the car to then using another car and then driving to the convent and then bringing a portable battery to Sadie and Stan's project and then droning for them and then going to Stan's workshop, which is an hour away, and then filming that. It was a long day yesterday and I didn't have time to edit it, but I'm really glad that Stan's helping with this gallery project for the chapel because the model in SolidWorks has estimated that the gallery he has designed will be able to hold about 4.5 tonne, and I think the organ probably only weighs just under 2 tonne. So it's going to be more than capable of holding it. And the 4 pieces that he has assembled, they go into the original holes in the stonework where the old steels used to be. And then they're bolted as well. They're not just resting, they're bolted as well. And then the new RSJs are then placed against them and then they're bolted to them. And it's much better that way. It's actually a really good design. So as soon as they're fitted, Stan's going to come and then fit the RSJs to them, and then we can start assembling the gallery, which is really good. The gallery project and the chapel is sort of like a side project at the moment. It's not really what we're focusing on. We're trying to get sort of like the hallway, dining room and library done at the moment, and then we can focus on the stairway, which we uncovered from all that concrete. But we'll get there. It's yeah, it's interesting, this place, all the things we've got to do and all the things that we're doing to try and, you know, make it a really nice, interesting building. So I've done a little bit of osmoing. I've just got to do 1 more coat on the side that I've done, and then they can all be flipped over, and then 2 more coats. When you're doing interior doors, it's a lot easier than doing exterior doors, because the exterior doors need a lot of coats to sort of protect them from the weather, and that's why they took a bit longer than expected. But when I'm doing interior doors, it's really easy and quick, and half the time I just have them installed without Osmo, then I Osmo them afterwards. But it is better to put them on with Osmo already on. So that's it for today, everyone. Tomorrow, I'm not sure if there's going to be a video, but if not, I will see you all on Monday, and we're back in the library. So thanks for watching.